Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best stand mixers. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. KitchenAid KSM7586POB Artisan Tilthead Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a quality, mid-sized, tilthead mixer. Despite its average dimensions, the Artisan mixed it up with the best in class in 3 out of 4 of our test metrics. It's powerful enough to knead dough quickly and thoroughly and mix frosting to the highest standards. Home cooks probably won't have to break out the spatula too often, thanks to the mixing quality and slightly gapped design of the attachment and bowl system. The Artisan is stable when operating at its top mixing speed. We enjoyed the user-friendliness of this model and had no trouble performing all the essential tasks one-handed. We experienced some minor speed regulation issues despite the burly motor and components. This flaw was most noticeable when whipping cream and eggs at high settings, which explains the whisk splattering from sporadic acceleration and saggy sponge cake resulting from inconsistent egg aeration. Add ingredients while actively mixing, and you'll find the Artisan easily gets spattered. However, this is the case for all models with a motor above the bowl. All in all, these issues are minimal when you account for the quality experience. Pros: durable and reliable build. Beater height is adjustable, the motor is quiet. Attachments are easy to use. Cons: speed lever is not pleasant to use. Number 2. KitchenAid Professional 600 Stand Mixers. The KitchenAid 6QT Professional Bowl Lift makes your home kitchen feel a little more like a commercial one. This bowl lift mixer boasts precision craftsmanship, one-handed operation, and enough mixing power to simulate a minor earthquake. The abundant power translates to dough kneading, cookie mixing, frosting, whipping ascendancy. When the mixer's work is complete, the bowl lift makes cleanup a cinch. This design eliminates the hinge where the head and neck meet, as with tilt-head models, meaning there are fewer nooks and crannies where frosting and crumbs can build up. Though we appreciate the convenience of the bowl lift, it only has 2 settings, fully up or fully down. If the bowl is fully up, there is space between the bowl and attachment. When mixing small batches, you must aid the machine with a spatula to incorporate ingredients that get stranded on the bottom and sides of the bowl. Additionally, the fixed head design often requires lowering the bowl when adding large quantities of dry ingredients. In reality, all mixers have these types of issues, many to a greater degree than this one. All things considered, the problems solved by the professional far outweigh those left unresolved. Pros: larger capacity. Soft start setting. Lightweight. Plenty of power for small batches. Great color selection. Cons: pricey. Number 3. Aucma 6.5 QT660W Head Stand Mixer. The Aucma 6.5 QT boasts many great characteristics of the premium models, but without the hefty price tag. This machine has plenty of power to mix thick or otherwise demanding mediums such as pizza and cowboy cookie doughs. The planetary mixing action helps ensure that the ingredients are incorporated evenly. In addition to this outstanding performance, the unit has suction feet to secure it to a countertop, one-handed bowl removal, and an easy-to-clean design. Given these features, we think you'll agree that our accolades are warranted. Despite the numerous positive attributes of the Akma, it's not without flaws. The unit has a yawning gap between the mixing bowl and the mixing attachments, and this gap allows some buildup of ingredients on the bottom and sides of the bowl, which necessitate the use of a spatula to scrape them off. Additionally, removing the mixer's splash guard requires that either the bowl or attachment first be removed, which is an unnecessary extra step that the competition avoids. Aside from these relatively minor issues, this appliance proved reliable and capable for home cooking applications at an unbeatable price. Pros: one-handed operation. Durable and reliable build. Slow startup function. Color options. Cons: pronounced bolt/attachment gap. Number 4. Cuisinart 5.5 quart stand mixer. When it comes to ease of use, the Cuisinart Precision Master SM50 trumps the KitchenAid. To tilt the head, there's a simple switch, and to select a speed setting, a smooth turning dial, marked with large numbers. It tied with the Smeg for the quietest operation. And although the Cuisinart Precision Master isn't cheap, it's about half the price of the KitchenAid Artisan. In our tests, this mixer excelled at whipping egg whites and mixing cake mix. But as soon as we added flour to creamed eggs and sugar for cookie dough, it slowed down. The manufacturer specifies that it should only be used to knead enough dough for 2 loaves of bread, and it was able to produce a nice smooth, satiny ball. But overall, we would say this mixer is best for cake bakers. The stand mixer is available in white, red, black, silver, and 2 different shades of blue. A variety of accessories are available to expand its usefulness, including a pasta roller and cutter, pasta extruder, meat grinder, frozen dessert maker, and spiralizer. Number 5. KitchenAid KSM7586POB 7-quart Pro-Line Stand Mixer. When you find yourself working on more significant projects that would otherwise require 2 or 3 batches in a smaller mixer, it might be time to upgrade to a stand mixer with a larger bowl capacity and a bit more power. The KitchenAid 7-quart Pro-Line is used and trusted in professional pastry kitchens and bakeries everywhere. Instead of the tilt-head design, this professional model holds the mixing bowl on arms that are raised and lowered around the mixing attachment with a lever on the side of the machine. While not available in as many colors as some of the smaller models, the Pro-Line still comes in the most popular colors, black, silver, red, that match almost any kitchen. This model sports all metal fixtures and gears inside, instead of the plastic ones found on lower-end models. As with all KitchenAid stand mixers, the attachment hub on the machine's front will accommodate any attachments from other models. A 1.3 horsepower motor makes mixing thicker doughs more convenient, including thick cookie doughs and even a single batch of thick bagel dough. What we like: all metal fittings. Great for larger baking projects. Efficiently knead small batches of doughs. What we don't like: fewer color options.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.